Good afternoon, students. Today we are doing the next topic, conservation of forest and wildlife. So in this topic we will discuss that how can we conserve our forest to protect flora and fauna. As you know the terms about flora and fauna, flora means plants and fauna means animals. So first step is the adverse effect of deforestation can be reversed by afforestation. Adverse means the bad effect of deforestation we can be reversed by afforestation. You know about the meaning of afforestation? Its meaning is planting more trees, and it involves renewing a forest by planting new tree of the same species, and the reforestation can also take place naturally. And if a deforested land is left undisturbed, the forest regenerate on its own. What they have said here, ki suppose you are not disturbing the deforested land, then what will happen? The forest will regenerate on its own. In the second point, they are telling you that restrict the felling of trees in the forest. And third is prevent forest fire. Next is plant trees in the barren area. Barren means the land that is unfertile. Next is protect trees from the pests and the diseases and remove the infected trees. You know about infected trees? Okay, and the pests are the insects. Also, we should protect the trees from the pests and the diseases. Next point is protect forests from the overgrazing. You know the term about overgrazing, where the animals are grazing again and again. Okay, the land area where the animals are grazing again and again, that is overgrazing. So we should protect the forest from the overgrazing and promote recycling of paper. As you know that 17 full grown trees, if we are estimated, then 17 full grown trees we needed to produce 1 ton of paper. So we should not waste the paper, and it can be recycled up to 7 times. So if we recycle paper, then we can save many trees from being cut. So this was about the steps to conserve our forest to protect flora and fauna. Now we are discussing the steps to conserve wildlife. Number 1, prevent deforestation to conserve habitat of wild animal. Okay, firstly the same point that we should prevent the deforestation. Why? To conserve the habitat of wild animal. As you know that wild animals are living on the trees, so we should prevent deforestation. Prevent the pollution of forest and ocean. And the next point is implement strict laws to prevent the hunting of endangered species of animal. So you should implement the laws made by the government to prevent the hunting of endangered species of animals. Prevent poaching. You know about the term poaching? We have discussed earlier also. And trading of animal products. So next is protect migration routes and wildlife corridors. So area that connect wildlife population and allow wild animal to move from one place to another safely. So that is about migration routes. And enough ecotourism through nature camps. Next is conduct periodic survey of forests to have updated information about the population of animals and plant species. As we have discussed in the red data book, that we are keeping one record of one register where we are keeping all the record that which animals are endangered and about the extinct species also, and promote awareness about wildlife. Next topic is conservation organization. So conservation organization, here we are discussing some conservation organization. First one is the Worldwide Fund for Nature. It was founded in 1961 and it is the world's largest conservation organization that is working in over 100 countries to reduce the impact of human activity on the environment. The next one is Oceana. Oceana is the largest international ocean conservation organization, and its aim is at preventing the collapse of fish population, marine mammals and other sea life due to the commercial fishing and pollution. And the next is the Bombay Natural History Society. It was founded in 1883 and it is one of the largest non-government organization in India involved in biodiversity conservation and biodiversity research. Last one is the Wildlife Trusts of India. It works to conserve wildlife and their habitats to secure India's natural heritage. You know about the meaning of heritage means culture. And it works with the government and communities to reduce human wildlife conflicts. Conflict means the quells. And the undertake projects to recover the population of critically endangered species. So this was regarding conservation organization. Thank you.